Hi there, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to talk about the Sun, planets and our solar system. Let's start. Sun. This is the Sun. The Sun is big. The Sun is big and hot. Its temperature is 5,778 degrees Celsius. The Sun is a star. It's the only star in our solar system. This is our solar system. This is the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way. The Milky Way. This is the Milky Way. Planets. The planets go around the Sun. This movement is called revolution. There are 8 planets, 1 dwarf planet, and 181 moons in our solar system. Mercury. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it's the closest planet to the Sun. It goes around the Sun during almost 88 Earth days. Number 2, Venus. Venus is the second planet in our solar system. It's called Earth's twin planet because it's almost as large as our planet and it has a similar composition. Its orbit around the Sun takes 225 days. Earth. The third planet from the Sun is Earth. It's the only planet we have found that contains life. It is 4,543 billion years old. It's mainly covered by water. Days on Earth are getting longer. 46 billion years ago, the day would roughly last 6 hours. But these days, the average day is 24 hours. It has 1 moon. Number 4, Mars. Mars is the 4th planet away from the Sun. It's called a red planet because of its color. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. It has 2 moons named Deimos and Phobos. Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet away from the Sun. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant because it's mostly made of gases such as hydrogen and helium. Its day lasts only 10 hours, but its year is long. It takes 11.8 Earth years to orbit the Sun. It's got 80 moons. Saturn. This ring planet is sometimes called the jewel of the solar system because its beautiful rings. They are not solid. They consist of bits of ice, dust, and rocks. It's the second biggest planet in our solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes more than 29 Earth years, but its day lasts only 10 hours and 14 minutes. Number 7, Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet away from the Sun. It's an ice giant and it's the coldest planet in our solar system. This is the only planet that takes its name from Greek mythology, not from Roman. It has got 27 moons named after Shakespeare's characters. Its day is only 17 hours, but its orbit around the Sun takes 84 Earth years. Number 8. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system and it's another ice giant. A year on Neptune is equivalent to 164.8 1.81 Earth years. It has got 14 moons. And finally, Pluto. Pluto is considered to be a dwarf planet in 2006. A day on Pluto lasts 153 hours. Its orbit around the Sun takes 248 Earth years. Its size is actually smaller than the Earth's moon, but it has its own 5 moons. I hope you will enjoy the video. For more videos, follow my channel.